Brexit Live, Macron's banking chief gloats about £151 billion asset grab from London. Emmanuel Macron's banking chief is already gloating about the huge financial benefits France has seen from Brexit, claiming the UK's departure from the European Union has immediately driven almost 2,500 jobs and at least €170 billion in assets across the Channel. Bank of France chief executive François Villeroy de Galhau said while London remains Europe's financial hub, other major European cities such as Paris, Dublin, and Frankfurt are all scrambling to remain active and healthy in the 19-nation Eurozone after Brexit. He told a press briefing business and asset movement across the Channel will continue throughout the course of this year. Mr. de Galhau said, in spite of the pandemic, almost 2,500 jobs have already been transferred and around 50 British entities have authorised the relocation of at least €170 billion, £151 billion, in assets to France at the end of 2020. Other relocations are expected and should increase over the course of this year. The Bank of France chief added it has become clear is that Brexit has forced Europe into developing its own financial autonomy. The European Union is letting London clearinghouses to operate throughout the continent until mid-2022 as Europe does not have comparable institutions of its own. But once that period has passed, financial transactions, in theory, are going to have to be settled within the EU. Last month, Boris Johnson admitted the Brexit deal with the EU does not go as far as we would like, in allowing access to EU markets for financial services. But Chancellor Rishi Sunak has since provided a glimmer of hope, offering the prospect of improved access in that would see the City of London remain Europe's financial hub.